Trademark renewals are crucial for maintaining your intellectual property. Let's dive into staying on top of your IP. Understanding trademark renewals is vital for every brand owner. It's how you keep your unique identifiers protected. Keeping your trademark active is paramount. It safeguards your brand identity and prevents others from using your mark. The renewal process involves specific steps and forms. Familiarizing yourself with these steps ensures a smooth renewal. Effective docketing and tracking systems are your best defense against missed deadlines. Centralize all your trademark information. To set up an efficient docketing system, use specialized software and set multiple reminders. Clearly assign responsibilities to ensure nothing is overlooked. Crucial dates and deadlines must be rigorously monitored. Missing a deadline can lead to serious consequences for your trademark. Proof of use filings are a cornerstone of trademark maintenance, demonstrating that you are actively using your mark in commerce. Understanding, proof of use requirements means knowing exactly what kind of evidence is needed to show your trademark is actively in use for your goods or services. Acceptable specimens for evidence of use can include product labels, packaging, website screenshots showing your goods or services, or even business cards. Preparing and maintaining specimens means continuously collecting and organizing evidence of your trademark's commercial use throughout its life cycle. Best practices for collecting and storing specimens include digital archives, organized physical samples, and clear date stamping to verify continuous use. Common pitfalls in specimen preparation include outdated specimens, specimens that don't clearly show the mark in use, or insufficient evidence of commercial use. The consequences of lapsed trademarks can be severe, potentially leading to the loss of your brand's exclusive rights. Losing legal protection means your brand becomes vulnerable to infringement, and competitors can use similar marks, confusing consumers. Refiling a lapsed trademark is often more costly and challenging than maintaining an existing registration. There's no guarantee your application will be approved. Let's review some strategic tips for effective trademark maintenance. Proactive management ensures long-term brand security. Regularly review your trademark portfolio, update your docketing system, and stay informed on legal changes. For complex cases or when in doubt, seeking professional intellectual property advice is crucial. IP attorneys can guide you through intricacies and ensure compliance.